Hello, this is your buddy James Flanagan, and I wanted to make a quick video to all you guys and gals out there because I saw something on Facebook that was pretty interesting. It was a fellow American that posted a meme that said, "Do you believe in the draft? Do you believe that we should have mandatory military service? Do you believe that everyone should be required to have 2 to 3 years military service?" And of course, you get the typical responses of, yeah, that sounds great. We need more commitment. We need more responsibility. We need a greater sense of duty. I agree with all of that. We do need that in our country, but the draft is not the way to do it. I'm the type of guy that would want everyone to serve in some way, military service, public service, doing something for your country, but I would be the first one against requiring that. So would love to hear your thoughts on that. What do we do when it comes to building a sense of national pride without making it a requirement? I have some ideas, but would love to hear your ideas. Anyhow, thought I wanted to get on the video, touch base, and see how everyone was doing, but that Facebook post just really got to me and wanted to say a few things about it. So thank you, have a wonderful night, and I think I'm gonna be cooking some steaks for the family today.